Hello, welcome back to my channel.
Today I'm going to teach you how to do a beautiful eye makeup. First I'm going to apply concealer on my eyes and blend it well. Blend and your blending is perfect. That's why your makeup is looking so beautiful, elegant. That's why I always use this word. And after that I will fix it well with the help of this powder. After that I will turn my nose here and will counter my nose. And then I blend this eyeshadow with the help of this brush. And then I apply this all eyeshadow on my eyes. How I can apply this eyeshadow? You can see this. I apply this eyeshadows with the help of this brush. And then I apply this red eyeshadow on my eyes, straight line. And then I remove this excess eyeshadow on my eyes with the help of this Vaseline. And then I apply this concealer on my eyes. Now you can see how I apply this concealer on my eyes. After that, I'm going to draw a line of this color over here, this black. And then I apply this concealer on my under eyes and blend it well. After the apply eyelashes, I applied this highlighter on my nose and brow bone and my eye's inner corner. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you want to any eyes makeup, you can tell me a comment box section if you like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.